Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set travel preferences on the Iberia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below and click on the profile button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on travel preferences, which is the third option. Then you should set your preferred departure airport. After that, your seat preference, which is now set to standard, but you can also choose from window or aisle. Then you can set if you have any special diets, such as vegan, meal, low salt, non-vegetarian, and so on. So tap on the relevant one. And finally, you can choose special needs, such as visually impaired, hearing difficulties, I need an assistance dog, or so on, and click on the button accept. And everything will be changed automatically and will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.